our last full day here in Sagada, and we are going to trek to where are we going? We're going to Blue Soil for our last full day here in Sagada. We're about to start our trek to the Blue Soil. It's currently 9:45. It's supposed to take around 30 minutes. 5 minutes in, and this is our view. Dito daw guys, yung mga Girl Scout and Boy Scout nila. Nagte-training, I guess.
Ito naman yung favorite nating pamba.
Break muna. Pero malamig pa rin naman yung simoy ng hangin. So, but you'd still sweat, of course. Update! Madami na kaming nadaanan na pababa. Well, we started almost 10 na. And ang ideal time talaga to start is 7 AM. So, medyo late na kami. Ito yung mga dadaanan. Go, Choy! Galing! Very good! Okay, we made it! It's so pretty!
Dito daw, para kuha lahat.
So we are here in Blue Soil. Copper daw makes the soil blue. And it's so nice. Para siyang snow from afar. You're not allowed to go up the hills though, pero pwede naman kayo lumapit. Ang ganda! Okay, let's do a close-up of the Blue Soil. So nice. I think it took us around 30 minutes to get... 40? Okay, it took us 40 minutes to get up here. Oh, and pagdating nyo dito, meron din mga nagbebenta ng mga snacks and drinks. So if you wanna buy some. Ganda, no? Ang ganda, no? Show your Polaroid photos.
Okay.
Let's go!
This is cute.
Gusto ko siya pag-go natin kasi may tour guide tour pa.
Okay, time check, 11:06.
11:06.
Let's see how quickly we can go down. Let's go. Mas madali na lang guys pag pababa. Chill na lang kayo. Okay, so a bit of information. When you go up to the Blue Soil, you can't DIY that. Kailangan nyo ng tour guide. When arriving here kasi, kailangan nyo mag-register muna. You guys saw that from the previous clips. And once you register, they're gonna give you contacts to tour guides. So, you just contact the tour guide and then, ayun, sasamahan nila kayo sa pag-trek and pagpunta sa iba't ibang tourist destinations here in Sagada. Si Kuya Joey, yung tour guide namin, pagka sa Blue Soil lang kayo mag-trek, 800 pesos ang pay sa tour guide. A lot of people though do trek sa Blue Soil and then sa Malboro. 1.6 naman ang bayad doon. Pero kami sa Blue Soil lang kami ngayon. Next time, maybe next year when we come back to Sagada. Sa Malboro naman. Kasi this is unplanned. Ayan, ito si Kuya Joey.
Meet Kuya Joey!
Welcome to Sagada.
Guys, pag pupunta kayo dito kayo magdadahan-dahan. Diyan, sa pababa. Kasi dun pa muntik madapa si Joy. We are out and about for our last dinner here in Sagada. Oh. I don't know where we're going. I brought the book though. I'm currently reading A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. It's her book. So I'm borrowing it now.
I'm reading the second book.
It's only 4 p.m. and we're gonna have dinner outside, so there's a lot of time.
Bye!
Okay, see you guys there. Yan yung prices nila. Ay, kung makaripati, may chicken one.
Lazy Sunday mornings hiding under
We've been invested here for...
You invested, you
Yeah, I'm invested. Hindi kasi may paliga dito.
Liga? It's not even a liga.
Ano ba to? Hindi liga. Basta may basketball game. Ayan, ito yung mga cheerleaders. Oh. Go, guys. Anong team ka? Ang team is Sudo versus BFP and PN. Ikaw, may ano team mo? Pero palipat-lipat yan kung sino yung lamang dun siya.
favorite movie laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love.
Over here, there's actually more huts down here. Let's go in. Ayan. So there's more huts down here. Madami pa yan. Hanggang doon sa baba. There's a lot of huts. Okay, bye, Cookie! Bye, Cookie!
Let's go!
Sugar